Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're taking a look at one of the most extraordinary and unexpected luxury vehicle concepts ever imagined. The 2027 Ferrari Motorhome is a bold vision that combines the excitement of a supercar with the comfort of a luxury penthouse on wheels. Inspired by the legendary performance, heritage, and breathtaking design language of Ferrari, this futuristic motorhome aims to redefine what luxury travel can be. At first glance, the exterior immediately sets itself apart from every traditional RV on the market. Instead of the boxy shape commonly associated with motorhomes, the Ferrari Motorhome embraces a sleek, aerodynamic profile that looks more like an oversized hypercar than a recreational vehicle. The front fascia features razor-sharp LED headlights, sculpted air intakes, and a low-slung nose inspired by Ferrari's latest performance machines. Every curve and contour has been carefully designed to improve airflow while creating an unmistakably exotic appearance. The side profile is equally dramatic. Long flowing body lines stretch from front to rear, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. Massive aerodynamic wheels fill the arches, while active airflow channels integrated into the body help reduce drag and improve stability at highway speeds. Large panoramic smart glass windows blend seamlessly into the design, giving passengers breathtaking views while maintaining privacy through electronically adjustable tinting. One of the most innovative exterior features is the expandable living module system. At the touch of a button, sections of the motorhome extend outward, dramatically increasing the interior living area. A retractable rooftop terrace emerges from the upper structure, transforming the vehicle into a luxurious observation deck. Whether parked beside a mountain lake, overlooking a coastline, or relaxing in the desert, the rooftop lounge provides an incredible outdoor experience. Integrated ambient lighting enhances the exterior during nighttime hours, creating a stunning visual presence. Hidden storage compartments, solar-assisted roof panels, and advanced climate management systems are seamlessly integrated into the design, ensuring practicality without compromising elegance. Step inside, and the Ferrari Motorhome immediately feels unlike anything else in the RV world. The interior blends Italian craftsmanship with futuristic technology to create an environment that feels both luxurious and innovative. Premium leather upholstery covers nearly every touchpoint, while carbon fiber trim, brushed aluminum accents, and handcrafted details reinforce the Ferrari-inspired character. The main lounge area is designed to serve as the heart of the vehicle. Plush reclining seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring passengers remain comfortable throughout long journeys. A massive transparent OLED entertainment display can appear when needed and disappear completely into the wall when not in use. Combined with a premium surround sound system, the lounge becomes a private cinema capable of delivering an immersive entertainment experience. Natural light floods the cabin through panoramic windows and a full-length smart glass roof. The intelligent lighting system automatically adjusts brightness and color temperature throughout the day, creating a relaxing atmosphere whether traveling, dining, or unwinding after an adventure. Moving into the kitchen area, the level of luxury continues to impress. Ferrari's design team has imagined a space that feels more like a modern luxury apartment than a traditional RV kitchen. Premium stone countertops, hidden storage systems, and integrated appliances create a clean and elegant appearance. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, wine cooler, espresso machine, and advanced touch-controlled interfaces. The dining area can comfortably accommodate several guests and is positioned beside panoramic windows, allowing occupants to enjoy stunning views while enjoying meals. Every detail has been designed to combine sophistication with practicality. Toward the rear of the motorhome lies the master suite, which may be one of the most luxurious sleeping environments ever envisioned for a recreational vehicle. A king-size floating bed sits at the center of the room, surrounded by soft ambient lighting and elegant furnishings. Smart glass walls can switch between transparent and opaque modes, allowing passengers to enjoy open views during the day and complete privacy at night. Integrated climate control, wireless charging systems, customizable lighting settings, and premium storage solutions ensure maximum comfort. The room feels remarkably spacious, thanks to the expandable living architecture and thoughtful design. Adjacent to the bedroom is a spa-inspired bathroom that elevates luxury travel to another level. A large rainfall shower, heated floors, illuminated mirrors, premium fixtures, and advanced water filtration systems create a relaxing environment comparable to a high-end hotel suite. Intelligent water recycling technology supports extended travel while maintaining comfort and efficiency. Performance is where the Ferrari Motorhome truly distinguishes itself from conventional luxury RVs. While maintaining practicality and comfort, the vehicle is expected to utilize an advanced hybrid electric powertrain inspired by Ferrari's cutting-edge engineering expertise. Multiple electric motors combined with a high-performance combustion engine could generate well over 1,000 horsepower. Such extraordinary power would allow the motorhome to deliver acceleration and responsiveness, unlike anything else in its category. While no one expects a motorhome to behave exactly like a Ferrari supercar, the goal is to provide a driving experience that feels significantly more engaging and refined than traditional luxury RVs. The intelligent all-wheel drive system continuously optimizes traction and stability, while active aerodynamic technologies enhance efficiency and control at higher speeds. An advanced adaptive suspension system constantly monitors road conditions and adjusts damping in real time, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride regardless of terrain. Technology plays a central role in the overall experience. The driver benefits from semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, and a sophisticated 360-degree camera network. These systems work together to make long-distance travel safer and less stressful. The cockpit features a curved panoramic digital display spanning much of the dashboard. Navigation, vehicle diagnostics, performance data, entertainment controls, and energy management systems are presented through a sleek and intuitive interface. Voice command functionality allows both driver and passengers to control numerous features effortlessly. Connectivity is equally advanced. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, smart home integration, cloud-based vehicle monitoring, and remote control functionality transform the Ferrari Motorhome into a fully connected luxury residence, capable of supporting work, entertainment, and daily life from virtually anywhere. As expected, exclusivity comes at a premium price. Industry estimates suggest that the 2027 Ferrari Motorhome could begin around $3 million for standard luxury configurations. Fully personalized versions featuring bespoke materials, custom layouts, advanced technology packages, and exclusive Ferrari-inspired design elements could easily exceed $6 million. The 2027 Ferrari Motorhome represents a revolutionary vision of luxury travel. It combines breathtaking design, advanced engineering, world-class comfort, and futuristic technology into a vehicle unlike anything currently available. It challenges every assumption about what a motorhome can be and demonstrates how luxury living and performance-inspired innovation can coexist in perfect harmony. For travelers who want to experience the freedom of the open road, without compromising elegance, comfort, or exclusivity, this remarkable concept proves that the future of luxury motorhomes has never looked more exciting. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.